Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. All fine? Yes. Audio, video clear? Okay, meanwhile, people are coming. Yes. Breakfast completed? Okay. So, yes, I got only 200. I will be able to get at least 500 next attempt. Yes. If you keep on working, it is 100% possible. I have seen people from, you can see in Instagram, I posted last year one student was having less than 200 also and got more than 600. Less than 200, exactly I don't remember, I think somewhere around 180, and from 180 he got more than 600, I think 630 something. What is Rolex? What is Rolex? Even this, I don't have clear idea what is this. Most of the people say Rolex. Okay, 63 to 601. Yes, okay, 63 to 601 is also there. So many examples are there. Hmm. So it is possible, okay? So never have this thought that, okay, whether I will be able to do or no, okay? This year also some examples are there, okay? Yesterday we were having that press meet, I think you might have seen. Rolex is popular man. Okay, yes, maybe from that movie. Uh, Yesterday, also some Miss students came, and Vasant was there. He was saying one thing that I just thought that I will, okay, at least I will get some college. He was saying this thing that only I thought I will get some college at least, and now I'm okay. He was the basically topper, long term topper. So other people also, they were okay thinking that yes, at least something we can get. Just like you also thinking the same way that at least we can get something, but bigger thing is waiting for you. Okay, not just 500 or 550. Big things are there. Okay, just only one thing is that keep on working. Okay, that already I said in the last class. So some homework was given to you in the last class, and I hope you have done properly. Yes, long term students cannot get above 700. No, it is possible. Okay, it depends on you. You keep on working, it is possible for everyone. Okay, losing hopes because of previous attempt marks. Listen, those who are in the long term this year, those who are in the long term, all last year, all people, all students last year, they didn't got the seat. That's why they were in the long term, and now they are getting the seat. You take example of okay, you take the Vasant, or you take the, okay, so many people who are in the long term this year, okay, they didn't got the seat, they got the very good marks. So don't think that this year, last year I got this, now, okay, Vasant was even thinking to go to Ukraine for this some things, okay, and then now he will be going to very good college here. So don't lose hopes, okay, and the past is the past, leave that past in the past. Okay, remember this thing always: past is past, leave the past in past. Okay, we need to focus on the future, and future is bright all the time. Okay, so what was the homework? What was the homework, if you remember? Homework, do you remember? Yes. Hmm. Yes, I said up to 20 tables that you have to complete. Up to 20, you have to complete the tables. Just now I'm coming from the offline batch, and the same homework I gave to them also. And no, means up to 20 tables. I said that up to 20 tables, up to 20 squares, up to 10 we have to do the cube. Same homework was given to the offline students also. And I asked, more than 50% people, 60-70% people have not done this thing. If we are not able to do this small thing means up to 10 we know, 11, 12 also we know, 4, 5 you have to do. If we are not able to do this thing, then how we can do when these many formula will be there in the physics? You will be having at least 3, 4 notebook will be there in the physics, so many numericals will be there. So this is the one reality check. I hope you people have done. If you are not able to do up to 20 tables, if you are not able to do up to 20 square as well as cubes up to 10, how we can think about that we can do the physics? We can do this much, this much things are there in the biology. So why I'm saying, because suppose somewhere it is coming, means in the calculation, most of the time in the calculation will come like, we got 17 into 8, we got 19 into 8, will not keep on multiplying, because if you multiply, of course you get the answer, but that multiplication process will take at least 10 seconds. Suppose somewhere in the calculations you are getting like in the, in last class also we got, suppose you got, I have given 1/9 degree you got. So you can say, if I have to convert into radian, then you can say pi by 180. And now 9 into 180 came. What you will do, you will keep on multiplying if you don't remember the things. So you will multiply this 9 into 18, then you will say, 9, 8, 72, then 2, then 7, 9 into 1, then 9, 9, 7, like this. It will take at least 10-second time. And in each question, at least some calculation will be there. So if it is consuming 10-second time, you are having 200 questions, and 210 seconds, you got 2000 seconds. And 2000 seconds, 2000 seconds, can you convert into minute? Approximately, I'm saying, if you divide with the 60, yes, almost, I can say 13 minutes. In 13 minutes, we can do almost 13 questions also. Oh no, yes, not 13. 33 means around half an hour. So basically what I'm saying, that these things, basic things you have to do. Otherwise, don't think that these many formula I can do, these many things I can do. So do, if you have not done up to, for the calculation, these things are required. Up to 20, your tables, square as well as cube, you have to finish. I hope degree, and in last class we have done degree and radian conversion. That was okay. Everyone have done degree radian conversion, yes. Degree radian conversion done. Means, only long-term students will be there, or will be the first year and second year students also. In this class, this is the long-term class, so long-term will be there. So you got that. Why I was giving more stress to that particular point, because almost half an hour time we can save. Half an hour means 10 seconds, if you are saving in that part of calculation. If half an hour you don't consider, at least 10-20 minute time we can save. So minute and second conversion is also clear. Minute second conversion also we had done in the last class. Minute and second conversion, that was also clear. So I'm giving one question to you, and then then you have to answer. Then only I will move ahead. Then I will tell some more things today. So first one question is there for you to do. Let's finish this question, and all have to answer now. 90 seconds you have to convert into radian. 90 seconds to radian. Okay, I want basically 90 second to radian. What do you say? Yes, 90 seconds to radian. Tell the answer fast. In the campus, only long term will be there. Depending on the batches will be there. Why you are worried about this thing? You have to be more worried about the questions, more worried about the concept. All the time, this thing should be going on. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are right now having, okay, you have to be perfect in that. Always after finishing one concept, ask this question to yourself from this topic. If anyone is asking anything, I can answer. This should be the your okay. You have to cross check always this thing, that from this particular topic, like we have completed degree, radian, second, minute conversion, that from this, if anyone is asking anything, I can answer. And when you get answer is yes, then move ahead for the next concept. So always, okay, stop for 5 seconds, ask that, okay, can I solve any question out of this topic? If yes, okay, then you can say yes, give any question, okay, either NEET is given, either any teacher is giving any question, we will be able to do the things. And I hope everyone got the answers correct here. Yes. So we can say here in this one, 90, okay, 90 seconds. So first of all, 90 seconds you will write into minute. So we can write 1/60. We got basically this thing is the minute. I said we will do the calculation always at the last, but sometimes what will happen, like here calculation directly visible to you. 0, 0 cancelled. This is the 3/2. So there is no problem. And okay, in simplifying these things, we can write 3/2 minute. Now 3/2 minute we will convert. So 3/2 into 1/60. That actually here also this is okay visible. So we can write 360. That will be the here 20. So 1/40 degree, and then we can write 1/40 into pi/180. That actually becomes here pi/7200. Okay, so I hope, because most of the people are giving me correct answer here. So now I will move forward, and you know, in the trigonometric we have some trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. I think everyone is having clear idea. Sine, cos, tan. So about these things I'm going to ask some basic. Ready? Moving ahead, moving to the next point now. Okay, so this calculation we can do later on. You can divide if required. Okay, so first I'm going to ask one question. I hope you will do correct, but just now I asked in the offline, and 90% people told me wrong answer. So be careful while answering, okay, whatever I'm going to ask next. Okay, so if I give you, this is the right angle triangle here, right angle triangle. This is triangle ABC. Okay, be careful while you are answering this thing, because just now 90% people told me wrong. 95%. Only few people, 3-4 people were correct. So this is the right angle ABC, and we know that in this one, this angle is okay 90 degree. If I say hypotenuse, 3 things are there. One is the hypotenuse, one is the base, one is the perpendicular. So which one is the hypotenuse? Everyone knows that bigger one is the your hypotenuse. So which will be the hypotenuse here? Which one is the bigger one? We can say AC. Yes. So there is no doubt about this thing that hypotenuse will be your AC. So this one I can write H. Okay, this is the okay H. Not a single doubt in this one. Bigger one is always H. Okay. Now you have to tell me about the P as well as B. Okay. So if I ask which one is the base here? Which one is the base? Which one is the base? Base. I'm asking base. What is the base? This is the question. This one I want to know. Base. I think comments are visible to everyone. Okay, so you can see what we are getting here. Okay, which one is base? So a lot of people are saying base HBC. Some people are saying base edge AB. Only few people are saying that BC or AB. So what will be the correct answer here? Depending on angle only we can say which one is the base. Otherwise we cannot tell this thing. So those who are saying that this is the base, not correct. Okay, this can be the base or this also can be the base depending on the angle. We need to tell which angle, with respect to which angle you are talking. Some people are giving me here correct answer. Sir, define angle first, tell angle first. If you are saying this thing, then you are correct. So if I say this is the angle, okay, means for this angle, this is the angle C, okay. So we can say for C, okay, for angle C, I can say for angle C, okay. Now we can say which will be the perpendicular, okay. Okay, so we can say for this angle, okay, opposite side is known as your perpendicular, okay. Opposite side is known as perpendicular. You have to remember that opposite to the angle is the perpendicular, okay. Keep in mind opposite to, this is a very small point, very small point, means class 7th student also have clear idea about this thing. But what happens when we move to the higher classes, small things we miss and then we do the mistakes. So you can see here in this one that, okay, opposite to the angle is known as, perpendicular, okay. This definition you can write. So we can say for angle C, perpendicular is basically we can say AB, and we can say base actually here, that is in this one you can say BC. For, if you say, okay, for, okay, angle A, if I say for this angle, okay, this is the angle A here. So for this one we can say perpendicular is actually, okay, your BC, and then we can write, okay, base is basically your AB. So you can say without angle we cannot. So first we need to define the angle. I hope you got this idea. About the hypotenuse, you don't have single doubt, because hypotenuse means bigger one is the hypotenuse, and opposite to the angle is always perpendicular, okay, and with the angle is your base, okay, with the angle is always base. So I hope you will not do this mistake. People say that this is a silly mistake, but this is the actually blunder when we are not able to decide properly. So I'm going to ask next thing now. Ready? Okay, in this one there are the Pythagoras theorem, so we can say, okay, next I will take here, okay. So I can say in this one, or let me ask first some simple questions here, like this is given to you. In this one, this angle is theta. So I can say this one is basically your bigger one. So this is H, okay. This one is opposite to theta. So this will be basically your P, okay. This is the perpendicular, and this one is basically with the angle. So this one is the B, okay. Now another one I can say here, suppose we got like this, and in this one I can say, okay, they will say that one prism is there or one wedge is there, it is kept on the surface like this, and this angle is 90, and there is a lot of people say this one is the base, this one is the base, this one is the base, this is the B, no, this is the your H. Then we can say, what about this one? If I say this is, I'm talking about this angle here, this one is the angle, then what is the this one? You can say this is the your P, and this is your okay, what? B here, okay. So like this we can easily decide. Any right angle is given like this, we have seen this one in this, okay, or I can say like this is given to you, okay. So we can say if this, I'm saying this is the theta here, then you can say this one is the H, this one is opposite to theta, so this is the your perpendicular, and this is the base, okay. So any type of triangle is given to you, like this 3 examples are taken. Do you know Pythagoras is saying that there is a relation, and we can say H square is basically equal to here, we can say, okay, P square plus B square, okay? H square equal to P square plus B square, you have to remember. And I hope you know also this thing, yes? So now we are going to do questions on this thing, that is your H square equal to P square plus B square. Yes. I hope you don't have any single doubt here in this one. Okay, before moving to the next question, I will ask one more thing. If I say any of the question here, sine theta equal to, so you can say sine theta is always equal to perpendicular by P by, just like the class 7th is going on. In the class 7th, these things are there if you remember. This is the your P by, okay, P by H. Cos theta, so we can say cos theta will be equal to B by H here, okay? And if I say tan theta, then you can say tan theta will be equal to how much? Yes, perpendicular P by B. These three things you have to remember, because a lot of time we use sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, okay? So this one you have to mug up as of now. Okay? Means these should be always there in your memory. You cannot say that, okay, I will do tomorrow, I will do later on, okay? Now only you have to mug up. Sine, cos, tan. Means Pythagoras written here on the board, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta is written. You have to just now mug up. You have 1 minute time, okay? Meanwhile, I will chill. So you can just mug up the things. One is the Pythagoras, okay? And one this thing. And first we have to define what is the H, what is the P, what is the your B, okay? Other than these three, we have some more, okay? Reciprocal of this sine is known as cosec theta. Cosec theta we can write here 1 by sine theta. We can say sec theta or secant theta is basically equal to 1 by cos theta. And we have another one, cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So these remaining three we will always get using sine, cos and tan. So for us more important is the sine, cos and tan. Sine, cos, tan we have to remember first of all. If cosec secant cot is coming, then we can easily figure out from sine, cos, tan, okay? So for you, this thing and this thing we have to remember, and then this relation, I hope you can easily do the things. Yes. So are you ready for the questions? Are you ready for the question? One question I will tell, and other than that, I will ask 3-4 questions. You have to answer. Yes? So listen, if I say they have given one triangle like this, and they are saying this is, okay, here 3, this is 4, okay? What will be this one, this side? This is 3, this is 4, what will be the other side? Yes, tell. 3, 4, what will be the other side? I'm just expecting your answers. I think everyone can read the chat now, and you can see what answer is coming in the chat. All can see. Okay, like you can see, I can also see here. Most of the people are saying answer as 5, but 5 is correct or wrong? 5 is correct or wrong? 3, 4. 5 is correct or wrong? 5 is wrong. Correct answer given by Kirti, then Sajid. Yes, 5 is wrong. 5 is wrong. That's why I'm saying that sometimes very, very simple questions will be coming like this, and then we are doing the mistakes, because in our mind we have this thing that triplet is there, 3, 4, 5. We remember, we mug up the things 3, 4, 5, and blindly we use. We can say that here in this one, if I take anything, okay, this one is 100% your H, bigger one. This one is the H, because bigger one is there. Okay, so you can say this one you are saying here, okay, perpendicular. Then you can suppose if I say this angle is theta, I'm talking about with respect to, okay, this angle. So we can say for this angle this becomes base. It means this becomes your perpendicular. Okay, I can take any angle here. Okay, so with respect to this angle, if I say, then we can write this one is basically your so now we can use Pythagoras, that is basically h square equal to, okay, p square plus b square. H square, there are 16 here. Perpendicular we have to find, base square will be 9 and p square will be 16 minus 9 is 7. So perpendicular will be root 7. Okay, I'm not saying only you have done the mistake just now. Okay, I said that before this I was having one offline class. After this class also one more class is there offline. And I'm confident when I will ask the same question again in the next class. I asked same question the previous class also. 90% people give the same answer that you have given 5. We know this side is your root 7, not 5. Okay. Now I'm going to ask in this one sine theta. So you can say such sine theta is perpendicular by, okay, p by h. So we can say p, that is the root 7 divided by, okay, 4. If I say here cos theta, then we can say cos theta will be equal to b by h. That becomes here 3 by, okay, 4. And then we can say tan theta, so it becomes perpendicular, okay, divided by base. So that becomes in this one root 7 divided by 3. If I say cosec theta, then we can say from sine only we'll find 1 by sine theta, so it becomes 4 by root 7. Sec theta we can say 1 by cos theta, so answer becomes here 4 by 3. And then we can say cot theta, which is basically 1 by tan theta, is actually becomes 3 by root 7. I hope this question is clear to you. Huh? So question is nothing, very, very simple. I hope you got that here, that side is not 5. That is your root 7. Still, if you have any doubt, you can type fast. I will explain again, because next question everyone how to do the correct answer for next question. Okay, suppose this thing, okay, this thing will be used somewhere, it will come, okay, somewhere it is going to come. We'll be having the two sides, somewhere we have to find the angle, because you know whenever you will be having the vector, you have to resolve, okay, force will be there, mg sine theta, mg cos theta. This is going to come, because like this question they can put like this. Here I will put the pulley this side, okay, one block, this side one block, okay, and in this wedge I will give just okay, these angles will not be given to you. These, they can say this is the 3, this is the 4 meter, 3 meter, and then mg sine theta, mg cos theta you have to find. Yes? Ready for next question? Ready for next? Okay. So I'm going to give you next one here. Don't do mistake at least in the next question. Yes. Add. Next question that we are having here in this one. Find tan theta, not tan theta, find cot theta. Cot theta you have to find. Out of this, you need to find cot theta. This is the triangle given, and you have to find cot theta. Yes. Find cot theta. Let's see how many are getting correct answer here. Cot theta. Waiting for your answer. Make it fast. How much time you will take? 9, 8. Cot, I'm asking. Root 17 by 8. Root 17 by 8. Root 17 by 9. 3 by 4. So many options I'm getting. Okay. Now I think I need to solve. Then then only we'll get the correct answer here. So listen, I will do. Okay. Now you can stop. I will do the calculation. So we can say in this one here 9 by 8 also. Okay. Very good. So theta is given here. Based on the theta only we will, okay, first important thing is, where is the theta? This is the theta. So we can say that this one is the bigger one. So this is the your h first of all. Opposite to theta, this is the your perpendicular. This is the base. Base is not given to us. Our first target is to find the base here, because cot theta means you have to find the tan theta which is the perpendicular by base. So first important thing is to find the base here. Okay, so we'll use Pythagoras, that is say h square equal to your b square plus p square. So this will be the 81 equal to base we need to figure out here, and 8 square is the 64 here. So we can say b square equal to 81 minus 64. How much? You can say 11 minus 4, that will be the 7, and here will be the, okay, so 1. So we got b equal to root 17. Now we can say tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but the perpendicular by base. So perpendicular in this one is given 8 divided by, okay, root 17. So we got here cot theta equal to root 17 by 8. Okay. We can find other trigonometric ratio also, like it is the your sine, we did the cos, it's sec, cosec, anything we can figure out. Yes. So can we go for next one now? Next question. Yes. Okay. Now, I will tell the practical example where this thing will be used. Okay. You might be thinking that you are telling this much mathematics, and where this mathematics will be used to us, where we are going to actually use. So you will use in multiple chapters, but I will give you just one example of one chapter that I think everyone remember, because okay, some things you may not be able to remember, but TIR I think everyone knows. Total internal reflection. Total internal reflection, you know. Yes. In that one, critical angle is there. Critical angle. What is the formula of critical angle? I think this formula everyone knows. Formula of critical angle. Formula of critical angle. 1 by critical angle I'm asking. Okay, critical angle I'm asking. Listen, this is the sine theta. Okay, C equal to 1 by mu. This is the formula of critical angle, 1 by mu. Actual formula is mu r by mu d, but I'm writing here simple version of the formula. And next question I will write that one. Okay, 1 by mu. Okay, it means other medium is the air. With respect to air, I'm writing 1 by mu. Yes. And you need to be a little bit aggressive. When I'm asking something, you have to answer always with the aggression. So, okay, aggression is also one okay, good quality. Sometimes some people are okay, little bit calm. Some people are aggressive. Like if I say, okay, our topper Harshvardhan, he was very aggressive. Just before 1 week, I give exemplar to solve. He finished in 1 day. Almost all the chapters he finished in 1 day. So that much aggressiveness is required. So sine theta C is 1 by mu. Mu is the refractive index. What are the refractive index for the glass? Refractive index for the glass. You remember? Yes? If you remember, you type first. If you don't remember, no problem. Same answer I got in the offline also that you are answering here. Vijay gave answer here 1.33. Refractive index of glass. Yes. And don't search in the Google. 1.7. Very good. Rocking. Swaroop is rocking actually. Saying 1.5. That is correct. Yes, 1.5, 3 by 2. Okay. So listen. Mu for, okay, glass. Okay. mu for the glass is actually here 3 by 2. Okay. Now, so if I say here in this one, if I put this value, they will ask find a critical angle for the glass air. Okay, glass air surface. Critical angle is defined for two surface. One surface is glass, other boundary is air. So we can say for the glass they are asking the critical angle. So we can find, okay, sine theta c equal to, you can say sir 1 by mu. So what will be the answer here? 2 by, and what will be the answer? 2 by 3. Okay, mu value 2 by 3. Any problem here in this question? Now this question is very simple one. Very simple, and whenever we are whatever we have seen in the previous, that from the TIR segment, all the time they are asking easy question, because tough questions not possible. If they want to make tough question, they can go from a combination of lens and mirror, okay, some other topic. But here all the time easy, okay, version is there, 2 by 3. But what is the problem in the options? The options they have given here for this question, there is not a single option they have given in the your sine. They have given option in the cos, they have given option in the cot, they have given option in the tan, they have given in the sec, but sine is not there in the option. There is no option in sine. If there is no option in the sine theta, then you have to convert into tan theta, you have to convert into cot theta. So from here, I will tell that this one is there, we got this answer, but options are not there in the sine. So what we will do, sine theta we can say perpendicular divided by how much your h. We will draw one triangle here in this one. We will say this thing is actually here, okay, in this right angle I can say this is the theta, okay. So this one is 2, this one is 3. What will be the base here? What will be the base? So we can say, sir, this is the base that we can find. So we can say h square equal to, okay, b square plus p square. So h is 9 equal to b we have to find, and p square will be 4. You can say, sir, b becomes root 5. Directly I am writing one step, skipped root 5. After that we can say, now whatever the options we can easily match, because you can say in this one cos theta will be equal to b by h, which actually becomes root 5 by 3. We can write tan theta equal to, that becomes your p by b, that becomes perpendicular is 2 by how much? Root 5. Can you match your options? Which will be the correct? They will give you 4 options. Out of 4 options, we have to find the correct answer. Can we solve? So this question is easier, but because of these conversion becomes little bit tough. Some people will, lot of people will not be able to do this conversions because basic mathematics they forgot. They know this thing. Up to this they can solve that sine theta equal to 2 by 3. Okay. Later on option they will not be able to match. I hope you can do. Yes. Can we do the things? If like this is the one practical example I have given. They will give you, they will ask for the glass surface what is the critical angle, and then they will give you 4 options, but option will not be in the sine because you remember the formula in sine. Option can be in the cos tan. Okay. So can you tell me one more question based on this? And this is the one time asked in one examination. Okay. So I am giving one question which was already asked, this pattern. So add actual formula of, okay, sine theta is mu r by mu d. Mu r where is the rarer medium, mu d is the denser medium. These things we'll get to know in the optics chapter. Okay. So don't worry if you don't remember, sir, this is the mu r by mu d. I am saying mu r by mu d means rarer by denser. You have to assume it is correct. Okay. What the formula? Rarer by denser. Okay. Sine theta c rarer by denser. In one time in examination they said rarer medium is mu1. Rarer medium is mu1 and denser medium is mu2. Rarer is mu1 and denser is mu2. Okay. So we can say sine theta c will be equal to how much? Rarer is mu1, denser is mu2. What will be the sine theta c? We can say mu1 by mu2. Is there any problem? Mu1 by mu2. But what was the problem here, that in this one, okay, I'm giving the options here, okay, options, okay, or I can write mu r by mu d, I can say, okay, no problem, mu r by mu d I can say. Can I say mu r by mu d better? Mu r by mu d, any problem in this one? Okay, sin theta c mu r by mu d, is there any problem? Okay, now options you have to select here in this one. They give the options H, okay, cos theta c equal to mu r by mu d, tan theta c equal to root mu r square plus mu d square divided by mu d. C option they said tan theta c equal to under root mu r square minus mu d square divided by mu d. Option D they said cos theta c equal to under root mu d square minus mu r square divided by mu d. Which option will take now? Which option? Options were like this. By seeing this thing, a lot of people thought it will be a very tough question to do. Which one will take? Of course, anyone can think that this is the very okay. And I have not written in the inverse. If I want to make little bit more scary, okay, little bit more scary, then I will write the inverse also. And if I write now these options and the inverse, means I will write theta c equal to tan inverse. Okay, it will become a very complicated question. But you got the answer is all got answer as a D. D is the answer here, because you can say here in this one that sin theta c is the here. Okay, I will write in this one that is the perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular by okay P by H. So I can say this is the triangle here theta. This one I can say mu r. This one I can say mu d. It means this value will be how much your base, and this will be how much your mu d, okay, minus mu r square. And once we got this thing, then we can easily match that cos theta. If you want to find, then we can say cos theta will be equal to base. So this will be the mu d square minus mu r whole square divided by mu d. If you have to find tan theta, then we can say the perpendicular, which is the mu r divided by base, which is the mu d square minus mu r whole square. Okay, so we can say answer will be the D. Yes. Okay, so I hope you got the actual meaning. How we'll use this thing, trigonometric identities, we can okay figure out. Can I move ahead now to the next point? To the next one. If you don't have any doubt, you can do the things. Okay, I will give you some homework. Can I give you homework? Okay, but if I give you homework, how I will find that we have done or not done? If I give you homework, how I will find whether you have done or not done? Yes. Okay, through WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, if you send me so many solutions, okay, then my gallery will be filled with your solutions. One time I did this thing. I was having one class, and then I said, okay, you can send in WhatsApp, and then I got so many messages that my gallery was actually filled. It seems like we have stopped in 10th class. Okay. You can message answer, that will be better. Okay, so I will give the questions, don't answer me solution. Instagram, not in the Instagram also, means you can just message the answer, that will be okay. Answers you can message, not the okay whole that can be better. Okay, or we can okay I will ask in the next class, that is also there. Okay, next class. But next class I will ask what I'm saying, that how many people will respond. That is the thing. Okay. So for that I'm thinking how we can do. Game over. Game will not be over, okay? If you keep on working. Game will not be over. Okay. First, I let me give the questions. Okay. Then we'll think about how. Okay. I will track. So these are the questions here. If sine theta equal to 1 by x, then cot theta. Okay. Question number 2. Cos theta equal to 2 by 3, then tan theta. Cosec theta equal to 5 by 4, then sec theta. Number 4, I can see here in this one, that is the tan theta equal to 7 by 11, then sine theta. Okay. So these questions will make sure, trust us. Okay. I don't trust. Okay. This trust is you people. Okay. Right now I cannot trust, because you will say yes, we will do, and you will not do. You might remember also, I said so many times, you have to remember the formula, you have to remember the formula, and people didn't do the formula, because I said exam is formula based. Formula plus little bit mathematics we have to do. Mathematics we are doing. Okay. Okay. So yes, this is okay. This part here, sine theta, cos theta, cosec theta, tan theta. Anyone having a problem? And don't okay, don't message me. Okay, but yes, number I will write here. Okay, number I will write. Okay. Number is here. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. If you have doubt, you can ask. Okay. So in next class only, I will ask the answers. Clear? So, doubt you can ask, but don't message, because otherwise what will happen? So many okay, messages will be there, and because of that, some important message may not be. Okay. So yes, one question in the above. Explain. Which question you want to explain? Means I have told the same pattern in the previous one. This is the exactly like this, sine theta. If sine theta equal to 2 by 3, this was the pattern. No need to send answer. Don't send answers. Okay. Yes. If you want, I will tell. Okay. Yes, Devakar. If you want any question, but pattern is this. Pattern already I have told you. If you have doubt in the pattern, I will explain. Okay. So make sure we can do the things. This same perpendicular by base, that formula will put, and then okay, we'll do. So now we'll go for next. I will erase this. Okay. So we have next thing that is there. Okay. You have to remember values: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. These value you have to remember. Okay. I hope everyone knows also. 90% people know. Till selection is there. Okay. You have to mug up the things. After selection you forget, no problem for me. Okay. But till the selection you have to mug up these things. I'm going to make the table here for sine, and then for cos, and then for tan. And remaining 3 I'm not writing, because remaining 3 are the just reciprocal. You can easily figure out. Okay. And here this is the theta. This is the 0 degree. 30 degree we say h pi by okay 6. 45 we say h pi by 4, and 60 degree we say h pi by 3, and 90 degree we say h pi by 2. Okay. And now sine, sir, suggest one good book for physics. Material will be there. Okay. That will be the good one. Okay. Because from the basics, things will be there. Okay, so whatever the material will be given to you, that will be the better. Okay. Huh. From the basic things will be there. Okay, so okay, and time to time some more material will be given to you. Gym will be there. Okay, grip will be there. Okay, so a lot of material will be given to you, whatever the required. Okay, using that material only people are okay getting the good marks. Sometimes what happens, due to the bad luck, we okay just lose some 4 5. Okay, just it was the matter of just 9 marks. 9 marks means just 2 questions, and 2 questions you have seen that NTA did actually some blunders. Because of that only we lost. Otherwise it was the 720 by 720. Gym will be there. We need to do the gym. I'm also going to start the gym. From last 2 years I'm thinking. Once gym is given to you, I stopped going to the gym. So we can say 0. This one is sine 30 means we can say half. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. This one is here sine 60 root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is your 1. Yes. Now I will just reverse. Okay. For the cos I will make it reverse. Okay. So now we can say here this is the 1. This one is how much? Your root 3 by 2. This one is 1 by root 2. This one is your 1 by 2. And this one is how much? 0. Okay. If I say 10, tan theta is basically, okay, tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. Okay, sine theta by cos theta. So we can say if you divide, then here 0, here 1 by root 3, here 1, and here we can say root 3, and here we are getting not defined means infinite. Okay, yes. So can we do these things? Can you means this one you have to mug up? Okay, means there is no compromise on this thing. Till the selection, everyone should be very clear. You are sleeping and I ask sine 45. You ought to just say yes, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, you ought to say root 3 by 2. Okay, cos 60 half. Like it should be your there in your brain all the time. Okay. Yes. Okay, so up to 90 we have to mug up. More than 90 we don't have to mug up. Okay. More than 90 I will tell the rule that in the ASTC, and using the ASTC we can find the things. Okay. So you can just write, and other than this, we have to remember, okay, 2 more angles that are the 37 and 53. Is if I say this triangle is there, in this one, I can say this is a 3, this is the 4, this one is the 5, this one is, okay, here, 37, this is the 90, this will be the 53, okay. So if you find from this triangle, sine 37, how much you will find? Sine 37. Sine 37 we can say 3 by 5. Okay. If I say sine 53 we can say 4 by 5.